Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Melissa T. Flores. I am 24 years old. I live in Malig, Isabela, Philippines. I graduated with a bachelor degree of elementary education, school year 2024. We are four siblings, and I am the second child in the family. For my works experience, I took care of my three nieces for 4 years. They were between 3 to 7 years old. I can also do a household chores such as cooking, laundry, ironing, and organizing the house. Ma'am, sir, I am willing to adjust and learn new knowledge in performing my duties. I hope that you will give me a chance to work for your family with harmonious relationship. Thank you.